Today, nearly 8 billion people inhabit our beautiful planet. It is expected that the world population will grow to 10 billion people within 30 years and 11 billion people by the end of the century. This puts an ever-increasing strain on Earth's limited resources and brings complex challenges. How to ensure a stable and healthy food supply? How can we reduce or eliminate our ecological footprint? How to build or maintain a strong economy without harming our environment? We need an economic system which keeps materials and products in use as long as possible and minimizes waste and pollution. A complete transformation of industry is needed to achieve this. An industry using different feedstock and raw materials, powered by renewable energy sources. Engineers play a key role in the transition to such an economy, but not just any type of engineer. We urgently need engineers with the technical expertise to design our industrial and agricultural systems to become more sustainable. Engineers who are capable of developing products that are repairable and reusable. Engineers who reimagine production processes so that waste can serve as the raw materials for new products. The engineer of the future is the circular engineer. Imagine collecting the various forms of plastics around us and using it as the fabric of your new pair of sneakers. Imagine that your next smartphone or laptop is built with components from old devices. These are examples of technical challenges circular engineers deal with. However, circular engineering goes further than manufacturing and product design. Think about transforming chemical factories to use biomass and waste as their feedstock to make materials. Think about finding the optimal growth conditions of vegetables so that less water and energy are needed, and then designing the infrastructure around it. If you like technical challenges, care about the planet, and want to play a crucial role in the transition to a circular economy, then the new bachelor program Circular Engineering at Maastricht University is the program for you. Maastricht University is among the first universities in the world to offer a bachelor's program that specifically trains engineers to integrate principles of sustainability and circularity in their technical solutions. Here is the Dean of the Faculty of Science and Engineering to tell you more about the ambition of the program.
I'm Thomas Klei, I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Science and Engineering, and we are at Maastricht University developing a really nice new bachelor program. It's the Bachelor in Circular Engineering, and that's a very important program. The world is rapidly changing. There's a need for new processes, to redevelop processes, products for a circular economy, and we will educate the engineer who will help in that transition.
Circular engineers play an important role in the transition to the circular economy, as they design, develop and optimize products and processes that address existing and future challenges. They take into account the entire life cycle of products and processes, from raw materials to waste. Remake, reuse, repair and recycle are central elements of the circular engineer's toolbox. Is the circular engineer a new type of engineer?
My name is Ron Heren. I'm the director of the Maastricht Multimodal Molecular Imaging Institute, M4I, and we design a lot of new instruments. I'm an engineer by training, and for me, the circular engineer is the engineer of the future that looks at an instrument from cradle to grave, looks at the full circle from design to technical solution, and really thinks about the impact the end product has on science, society, and the world around us. And that is what a circular engineer is actually taught here at the Bachelor of Circular Engineering.
Circular engineers are especially valuable in the fields of chemical engineering, biotechnology and engineering physics, as these fields provide the technical driving forces in the successful transition to a circular economy. They address most of the important areas where transitions and developments are needed.
I am Yvonne van der Meer. I'm a professor at Maastricht University in Sustainability of Chemicals and Materials, and we study how sustainable new engineering solutions are. Our society has certain societal issues, sustainability issues, And these are quite complex, and that's why we need new people that are trained in different engineering disciplines, but also know what the sustainability impact is of new technologies.
Overall, the Bachelor Circular Engineering is a unique program in terms of its aim, societal relevance, and the type of engineer it educates. Let's have a closer look at the program and the curriculum. The first year of the program provides you with a solid foundation with courses in chemical engineering, biotechnology, engineering physics, and mathematics. Courses such as life cycle assessment and engineering in a circular economy complement the core courses and provide you with methods to assess product or processes' circularity and sustainability. In addition, in a project at the end of each semester, you develop hands-on experience in engineering, research and design. The second year enables you to select courses and skills trainings you are genuinely interested in through a variety of electives. This allows you to play to your strengths, interests and future ambitions. For example, even if you set your goal to focus on chemical circular engineering, you can still select electives such as artificial intelligence or sustainable agronomy. These courses expand your toolbox and give you a broader perspective that is much needed in a circular economy. Academic advisors aid you in your choice of electives. Each semester ends with an engineering research and design project. In the third year, you select one concentration of courses and skills training to provide you with thorough knowledge within a specific engineering domain. In the concentration Circular Chemical Engineering, you focus on the transition to a sustainable and competitive chemical industry. In the concentration Sustainable Biotechnology, you focus on the transition to a sustainable agro-food sector and a circular bio-based industry. In the concentration Engineering Physics for Sustainable Manufacturing, you focus on the transition to sustainable product design and manufacturing. You finish your bachelor with a thesis on circularity challenge within one of these concentrations. The concentrations are directly connected to developments at the Brightlands campuses and relevant companies, industry and non-profit organizations in the region.
The beauty of this program is that it's constructed with lots of different elements. So in the first year, you have all the right tools and concepts theoretically and practically from the engineering perspective, whether it's on the physics side, on the biotechnology side, or on the chemistry side. And then in the second year, there is choice. You can design your own curriculum to actually get your education to a level where you want it to be your circular engineer. In other words, you have a choice in defining your own coursework. Then the third year focuses on really applying that course in our different concentrations. So for me, the program offers every little bit of knowledge, information, competences and skills to really strive towards this cradle-to-grave concept in circular engineering.
Our circularity and sustainability are in the heart of the program. So you will look at sustainability and circularity aspects in different tasks and assignments that you get in all the courses of the program.
Overall, the program has been carefully designed to train you as the engineer of the future. However, it has also been designed with you in mind. In fact, the design of the curriculum is quite unique compared to other engineering programs.
The program is really unique. We combine 3 different disciplines: chemical engineering, biotechnology, engineering physics in one degree program. We offer a broad engineering base, and after that you can explore your interests, your ambitions in one of these 3 disciplines. There's lots of electives in there in the second year, and there's still enough depth, specialization depth in the third year to continue in the discipline of choice.
Choosing to study at Maastricht University is to choose for a highly international environment with the majority of students and staff coming from abroad. Our students particularly appreciate our small-scale education, which offers you the opportunity to get up close with industry and provides you with hands-on experience. This hands-on experience comes from our teaching method, which is called problem-based learning, or PBL in short.
My name is Laura Kollau. I am an assistant professor in the Circular Chemical Engineering department, and I will be part of the Circular Engineering program. The bachelor uses a student-centered approach of teaching, which is called problem-based learning. The method of teachers involves 4 key principles around which the student focuses on real-life problems. So during a tutorial, you'll be presented with content on a particular topic that you may or may not understand. For example, to change the feedstock of an existing process to be more sustainable. With your peers, you will discuss what you collectively know and what you don't know yet. This way, you can come up with questions about this topic, and from those questions, solutions can be found during your self-study. In the next session, you will again discuss and find the final answers together. My role as a tutor is to guide you in your learning, monitor your progress, and help with the group dynamics.
Problem-based learning is offered in all programs at Maastricht University. However, why is it a great fit, especially for an engineering program?
PBL is actually especially suited to train new engineers. In the end, as an engineer, your job is to solve problems, small or big. A good engineer will address the root of the problem and not just the symptoms. For this, you need to be equipped with skills like communication, problem deduction, and proactivity. All of these skills are rooted in PBL.
Next to problem-based learning, there is a strong focus on research-based learning, which for instance is used in the various engineering research and design projects throughout the curriculum.
In the program we apply research-based learning in projects and in skills training. And there you try to find solutions for technical challenges that we do not yet know. So you make your own technical design and test it and already get some idea how research is working and prepare yourself for your bachelor thesis.
Research-based learning takes place on the Brightlands campuses, right in the middle of and often in collaboration with industry.
The great thing about our program is that it is conducted also on different campuses, the Brightland campuses, where we have industrial partners surrounding our program who are interested in your solutions. So already during your research you can test if it really works in practice in industry, and you also get to know how industry is working. So you not only learn about academic skills, but also how an industrial environment is for you.
Graduating with a bachelor's degree in circular engineering is just the beginning of your career. Graduates have a versatile skill set in offering technical solutions that aid the transition towards a circular economy, a transition that has already begun.
So when you are well trained as a circular engineer here in the Maastricht program, the world is your oyster. You can select a breadth of different kinds of careers, and all of these careers actually tackle the major societal problems. Whether it's energy research, where they need a new engineer to develop the energy source of the future, whether it's in agro-food technology, where you're thinking about biotechnology to improve our food chain, or healthcare and life sciences, where you develop beautiful new instruments that actually make diagnosis more precise in the hospital. All in all these different domains, all these different big societal problems you can tackle as a well-trained circular engineer.
Circular engineering is aimed at students who think in solutions rather than problems. The type of students who are fascinated with technology, curious about how things work, and want to help to reduce the ecological footprint of the various industries.
Are you feeling excited about the program? If you want to enroll, you can find the most important information, such as the registration deadline, entry requirements, and program fees on our website. Thank you for watching the video and your interest in circular engineering. We hope to welcome you soon in our unique program, but if you still need convincing, here's a final message from our interviewees.
The Bachelor of Circular Engineering allows you to become the engineer of the future. There are many challenges in the world which need to be solved for the circular economy, and you can be part of this solution.
We as a society need you. So come over to Maastricht and make sure that you can help us solve all of our society's big problems.
Well, this program offers you the opportunity to develop the technical solutions of the future that are circular and also sustainable, so you can contribute to a sustainable world.
If you are passionate about the environment and want to use your skills to design a future-proof circular economy, then this is the right program for you.
Thank you.